Are you making these common skincare mistakes? Let's fix them today. Washing your face with hot water. Mistake: hot water strips natural oils, causing dryness and irritation. Fix: use lukewarm water to cleanse gently. Skipping sunscreen on cloudy days. Mistake: UV rays penetrate clouds, causing premature aging and dark spots. Fix: apply SPF 30+ daily, rain or shine. Over-exfoliating your skin. Mistake: too much exfoliation weakens the skin barrier, leading to redness. Fix: exfoliate only 2 to 3 times a week with gentle ingredients. Ignoring your neck and hands. Mistake: these areas age faster but are often neglected. Fix: apply moisturizer and SPF on your neck and hands daily. Sleeping with makeup on. Mistake: clogged pores, breakouts, and faster aging occur when makeup isn't removed. Fix: use an oil-based cleanser or micellar water before bed. Fix these mistakes and watch your skin glow. Like and follow for more skincare tips.